77-year-old Francis Gitta is challenging the narrative. His magic secret to a healthier and happier life after retirement is simply physical exercise. Our Kampala-based correspondent Godfrey Badebie spent time with Gitta and sent us this report.
His routine includes jogging, running and stretching. Francis Gitta has done this for the last 25 years.
I started by walking a very short distance. Started walking by short distance, like half a kilometer, 2 kilometers. Then I started running while resting, a short distance, but then eventually I got used.
The health challenges that come with old age are not part of Gitta's cocktail. Francis has mastered the art of keeping fit and healthy.
I just walk. I have a brisk walk. I walk very strongly, usually it's uphill. But this is a slope and a flat land. I normally run. But you do it slowly by slowly. Don't force yourself. And for some people who have not done it, especially the elderly and whatnot, it's better that you go to a physician so they can prescribe the right exercise that you have to do. Otherwise, you may find yourself collapsing on the road.
The other therapy is in his neighborhood, the Nerves and Bones Rehabilitation Center. 30-year-old Blessing Ahikiriza has been pushed to the center by a back problem that she has nursed for the last 10 years. 5 months after admission, the treatment to her backache has long been found.
It irritates. You don't know what to do. You don't know whether you should sit or not. You don't know whether you should sleep or not. You don't want to stand. You don't want to sit. You basically don't want to do anything. And of course, that is next to impossible because there are things that you really must do. I had reached a point where I would walk and actually feel pain.
Low back pain is the most prevalent musculoskeletal condition and most common cause of disability. This problem is fast rising in Africa.
For people with spine problems, it's mainly poor posture. When you practice a poor posture, it exerts a lot of pressure on your spine, and at the end of the day, your tissues in the spine, for example, the discs, the bones, the ligaments, start wearing out faster than they are supposed to. And then this later on invokes pain.
Health experts believe physical exercise is properly described as a great remedy to several health complications. Francis Gitta testifies.
I have no high blood pressure. I have no diabetes. I feel very healthy. And whenever I go to the clinic and they measure my blood pressure, they said, "No, blood pressure is for a young man. How come?" Then I tell them the secret, how I keep it.
Exercise is very beneficial. One, it strengthens your joints. 2, it helps you control your weight. 3, it helps keep your joints active. It helps keep your joints in motion. 4, it's also very good for your internal organs. An example is the heart. It also helps keep your brain alert.
With this regular session, Blessing has relief of the back pain.
The exercise has helped me to curb the pain because at least my body is used to regular motion as compared to before I started exercise. And at least now I feel a bit light compared to how I was.
You are not easily attacked by diseases once your body is fit. I've not suffered so many diseases, but some I used to suffer, but now I feel okay. I'm all right. I have no problem.
According to World Health Organization, a quarter of the world's population don't do exercise, and persons like Blessing think there is need to do better than these statistics.
We should know that life doesn't have spare parts. We live once, and we should take good care of our lives.
Uganda is categorized as one of the most active countries. The burden of 5.5% of Ugandans with insufficient levels of activity has started to bite in as the country registers an increase in non-communicable diseases, including obesity.
Age is just a number. Anyway.